This simple tutorial will teach you how to create a cute tie-on headband using leftover scraps of fabric. You can download the pattern that I made if you follow the link in the description below, and follow along with my step-by-step tutorial. Cut out the fabric and interfacing. For most people, start with 8 pieces of the scrap fabric, 2 long rectangle pieces, and 2 long interfacing pieces. You can always add more if necessary. Now you want to sew your scraps together. Sewing on a diagonal like this is a little weird. To make the belt in a straight line, you actually need to sew them together at a right angle. If you do this right, there will also be some extra tabs sticking out of the seam allowance. You can just cut these off after sewing the seams. Line up the interfacing and the lining and cut the diagonals to match that slant that you have on the patchwork side. Now you want to apply the interfacing and fuse it to the reverse side of the fabric. Now you want to sew the front and back together. Make sure to leave a little gap in the middle so that you can turn it right side out. And turn to the right side. A pointy tool or loop turner here can help you get the corners nice and crisp. Make sure to press and then sew up that little gap. And that's it, you've finished. You've created a simple fabric scrap patchwork headband.